Let's begin our second quarter with the scores of 15-14 isa. Tinamang ng team Energy Saints. Number 7, wala nakuha ni si Suarez. Mr. Maynard, wala nakuha ni Mr. We know it's Mr. Maynard Suarez. Mr. Naga, 2 points. Seconds shoot Mr. Suarez. Lagas to Mr. Suarez. Mr. Suarez. 10 seconds to shoot Mr. Suarez. 5 seconds to shoot. Nice steal Mr. Amber. Bringing the ball. Give pass up. Miss Coalition.
Dapat sa lumi.
Mr. Suarez, ipasa kay Mr. Maynard to Mr. Patrick. Yeah, 15 seconds shoot. Maynard at time for 0 Nako na Mr. Naga to Mr. Villa. To Mr. Lagares, numero 11 to Mr. Naga. And there's the ball, and there's a basket count. Number 10, Haryonet. First personal foul, first team foul, and 4 minutes 33 seconds sa basket count. Committed by Mr. Naga, numero 69. Moving for his first DC 8 lahat. In 4 minutes 26 seconds, Mr. Suarez. Mr. Suarez, 15 seconds to shoot. Suarez. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
It's up!
Shot clock. 4 minutes 8. Substitution. Once again, it's 4 minutes 6 seconds. Mr. Nagat to Mr. Villa to Mr. Navarez, 15 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Mr. Amper. Mr. Amper, 2 points in 3 minutes 54 seconds. Mr. Suarez, numero 22, 18-20 ang score. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pito sa 10. Kung nakuha ni Mr. Naga, ipasa kay Mr. Revilla in 3 minutes 34 seconds.
Uy, double!
Same ball position. 19 seconds shot clock. 3 minutes 31 seconds. Remaining time. 3 minutes 31 seconds. This is our second quarter. Nagakakuha nakuha ni Mr. Pitos to Mr. Suarez figured. At sa Mr. Suarez, 2 points. Three minutes 15 seconds, Mr. Naga, 2 points. Mr. Suarez. In 3 minutes 8 seconds, number 22, ipasa kay Mr. Acosta. To Mr. Suarez, 15 seconds to shoot. Suarez. Attempt, wala na kay Mr. Pitos. Pitos, 2 points. 2 minutes 56 seconds.
Low.
That's no good. Nakaya Mr. Amper. Paspas kay ang dagan sa bola. Gilaw si Mr. Villa. Attempt, no good. Nakuha.
Time out!
Awa ang laman ng team. Elja. Once again, it's 2 minutes 32 seconds. Again, it's 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining time for our second quarter. Si Mr. Suarez, si Mr. Patrick Suarez. Pasakay ko sa 15 seconds to shoot. Na ilong-ilong na gikuha ni Mr. Per. Pilis na nato Mr. Villa. Dribbling the ball. Ipasa kay Mr. Naghat. To the Villa again to Mr. Amber. At number 2, wala na po ni Mr. Naghat. Hindi na sa ilalong. 2 points, Mr. Naghat. 2 minutes in the clock, Mr. Suarez. Ipasa kay Maynard Suarez at number 3 na sobrahan na kuha ni Mr. Naghat. 1 minute 50 seconds, Mr. Amber. Attempt for 3, it's a double. Nakuha ni Mr. Maynard. Mr. Suarez attempt for 2, and it's a 2 points, Mr. Suarez. 1 minute 38 seconds, Naghat, and there's a ball.
Sap.
Second half. 30 carries na. Personal foul. It was a technical foul. Appeal ka siya. 1 minute 36 seconds.
Trek.
Oh,
Once
tulo.
again, it's 1 minute 36
Tulo na.
seconds. One minute 33 seconds, Mr. Suarez. Carlos to Mr. Patrick. Sasakay yun na inabuyan hapit mga 15 seconds to show Mr. Wala na ko ni Mr. Amber. Kikulang-kilugan nila nabuyan ang
Oh.
bola kinagan sa silingan
Look.
nito sa unahan. Bola sa Team Aljaz. 1 minute 19 seconds. Mr. Amber, 3 points, Mr. Amber. Ay, Alvarez, sorry, my mistake. Mr. Alvarez, 1 minute 2 seconds. Mr. Suarez, 1 minute to the clock. 50 seconds to shoot. Hariel is shoot, hindi Hariel din. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. 50 seconds to shoot. Amber, 2 points. Katulad 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot, Mr. Suarez. 35 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 30 seconds. And there's the call sa collapse. Moving on by Mr. Naghat committed. First personal foul, first team foul, 30 seconds. 30 segundos. 25 seconds. Dito, 10. 20 seconds. Sama siya ka. Nada. 15. 10. 5. There is a call to the west. And there is a call. Talikod. Si Mr. Akos ang decisive. First was about 13 foul in 5 seconds. Once again, 5 seconds. Moving by Mr. Lampas.
It's na.